Section C.6 Appointment of the Chief Electoral Officer and Deputy Electoral Officer. 6.1. The Council, at least 21 business days prior to the nominating meeting, shall a. Appoint a Chief Electoral Officer and a Deputy Electoral Officer in accordance with the provisions contained in these rules and governed by the regulations. B. Chief Electoral Officer is a member of BFN, not an employee of the band, no immediate family running for chief or council, does not have a conflict of interest and have experience at conducting band elections. C. The Deputy Electoral Officer must be a status member of the Beausoleil First Nation and is typically the band membership clerk or other staff member who is knowledgeable about the INAC band membership list. D. Council shall select the Chief Electoral Officer out of options submitted to them by the First Nation Administrator. E. The First Nation Administrator will ensure that a posting is prepared and circulated for the role of Chief Electoral Officer. F. Post a notice in public locations, signed by the Chief Electoral Officer, setting out the date, time and location of the nominating meeting, and the number of positions to be filled by election. G. Post a copy of the election rules and rules of conduct and electors list in public locations and approved website of the Beausoleil First Nation. 6.2. The Council shall determine the remuneration to be paid to the Chief Electoral Officer, the Deputy Electoral Officer, and interpreter at the time of appointment.